Hi guys, morning. Next lock that we're going to pick is this German, or at least I bought it from Germany. It's a STABILIT lock or STABILIT, not sure about exactly the name. So that's the key fitting, not too bad, works perfectly. And let's see if we can pick it real quick. I have picked it a few times, and I do believe the only thing that is inside is there are only standard pins. At least I don't feel anything else. But quality-wise, as I said, for STABILIT, opens quite quick, too quick I would say. So that's the STABILIT. Very nice brass body, but the quality could be better, I guess. Thanks for watching. Cheers.